it's Kim at Geranium Lake Flowers and welcome to our YouTube channel. We love making fun floral videos with valuable tips, so please subscribe and hit that alert bell to be notified when our latest video goes live. First, I got to thank Greenleaf Wholesale for always making us look spooktastic. So Halloween is looking a little bit different, right? It's just not quite the same. Who's having a party? Like, we're not really having any parties. We're hanging out with our bubble and we're having small little gatherings, but we are gonna set the table for Halloween in two different tables. So we've got kind of this gaudy, Gothic Halloween table. I already set this table. This is my kind of Addams Family Gothic. I don't know, it's kind of cool and creepy. We ended up getting two silver candelabras out of the back, and we kind of tilted the candles on purpose because it looks a little bit more kind of old and run down. We got Mr. Skull back, Skeleton back, I guess, and he was featured in another video if you want to see how to make a cool skull centerpiece. We've got white pumpkins. This is really kind of muted. We put some dried flowers in there. Check out this protea. I don't know if you can see that. I don't want to disturb the whole thing, but these dried flowers are so awesome. They look great with spooky stuff. I love it so much. We have oh yeah, that hanging amaranth, this bleached amaranth is so, I've used it so much this season. We spray painted some rose hips black, white pumpkins, all the little candelabras and kind of this muted rust look. Of course, I like chargers. Chargers are a plate that's underneath all the other plates and it looks so good. It kind of finishes it off. So anyway, this is table number one. We kind of wanted to make it a little like super gaudy. So we put a black linen underneath and then we gathered it and just pinned it with some pins as they came out a little bit, but I'll pin it back. And you could do this with wire. You could also do this with a binder clip. That's what we do at events. Like, why are we bringing binder clips? Because you clip this underneath and it holds perfectly. So we are going to grab the next table and just be thinking about which one you like. So I'm gonna just change the set and I'll be right back. Here we are at table number two. This is our mid-century vintage modern. So we got these really cute vintage Halloween cutout cards. They're so adorable with these antique kind of 60s. I think they're made in the 60s, you know, the witch with the cat as the horse. Check this one out. I think this is my favorite one. So cute. So we're just kind of using them kind of like a placemat, just something to sit on the table. I love are these owl babies. Oh my God, they're so cute. And they're really inexpensive, and a shout out to the Brown Elephant in Chicago. Such an awesome place. But look how cute they look nested in this ostrich feather wreath. I'm not sure where I got this, but this is a half round of styrofoam and the feathers are kind of stuck in there. So that's something you can easily reproduce. We made these candy corn votives, and just a simple votive with these holes. They're so cute. We thought it'd be more mid-century modern. And so we put candy corn in there, right? And it's so awesome. And we ended up using these little oil votives. And so what we did is fill it halfway with candy corn, put the votive in, and then fill the candy corn in the top, and it looks so good. So we filled these champagne flutes with candy corn, and then the last thing, oh, did you see this cute fox? I love him, he's so cute. I don't know if you can tell by there, but we filled him with candy corn as well. Looks really good. And then the last thing is the flowers. There's barely any flowers on these two tables, so, but these just have a little gourd that we carved out. You can put a liner in there and check out our other video because we show you how to make a pumpkin centerpiece. It's fantastic. So we just got white carnations because they look so good in bulk, right? I love them. It's like a big fat peony. But you just band it together and make a little tiny bouquet. You can put a little liner in there and it looks amazing. I know, I love it so much. So, okay, everybody. what kind of dinner party do you want to have? Which table do you want to sit at? This is really cute because it's round, it's small, and it could be with your bubble. It's clean. It could be for kids or whatever, family or anything you want. But do you vote mid-century modern, kind of vintage, or do you vote my kind of Addams Family, Gothic? I don't know. It's kind of cool and creepy. Please check out our website, geraniumlake.com. Please subscribe, and thank you so much.